Alright y'all, we made it to Ingram, Texas. But before settling in, we had to stop at the Alamo. You can't come to this area and not check out one of the most famous historical sites in the country.
The history, the stories, the iconic structure, it was definitely worth the stop. And the girls made some fish friends and also met a really cool street dancer too.
Our condo here was awesome. It had a huge pool, though not heated, and a smaller heated one, plus a couple of hot tubs. I think the girls' favorite activity here was pretty obvious: swimming.
Yeah. Yep.
I love you. Oh, I thought you said, I love you. Oh, you said I love you. Two, one.
Again.
I can't open it.
They even made a challenge to see who could last the longest in the freezing cold pool.
Stop going in and out, and then it's just gonna... Good. Oh my God. Oh, let's stay in. Ah, why?
I was winning for a while, but then they just kept trying to outdo me, and I'm not sure who actually took the crown in the end. Probably Eden. She tried lots of different techniques and ultimately discovered it was easing her way in and then just getting used to it that won out in the end.
And of course, we wrapped up each evening soaking in the hot tub and watching the sunset over the water. Not a bad way to relax.
When we weren't swimming, we spent time at the lodge where they had huge games like life-size chess and Connect 4. Plus crafts and other fun activities to keep everyone entertained. We also had to stop by the local Stonehenge Replica that was near our condo and check it out. It was pretty cool.
You little sarcastic stinker.
What did she say?
This is the coolest thing I've ever seen in my whole life.
Oh my God, in the real thing.
One of the best tips we got while in Texas came from, believe it or not, a hot tub buddy. They told us about the river walk in San Antonio, and we knew we had to check it out.
It's this amazing river that runs under the city, lined with beautiful shops and restaurants. The atmosphere was so cool.
We grabbed some delicious food at the Hard Rock Cafe because we knew we had to eat well and just enjoy the whole experience. Oh, and the girls made sure to say hi to the local ducks and do a little posing. Before we left Texas, we had one last very important stop, Barbeque. We swung by to Salt Lick in Austin, which I had tried years ago while traveling for work. I had been raving about this place for years, so I had to bring the whole family.
And let me tell you, it did not disappoint. The ribs were a hit, and I don't think I've laughed that hard in a really long time. Watching the girls try to eat those was hilarious.
Texas, you were so good to us. From the Alamo to the Riverwalk to some of the best barbecue ever. We had a blast.
And now, we're off to the next adventure. Any guesses where we're headed to next? Drop them in the comments. Adventurepreneurs out.